Mana BTC. Oh my god, Mana is not looking good. This looks to me like a potential, mountain range in the making, and we could be slicing lower. I just don't see the clear tradable chart pattern for Mana against BTC yet. We could still hit higher even if you do fall. I still feel that there's a potential for Mana to hit higher. Mana could be forming a falling channel of sorts, right? This could be an A, B, we could be coming down for a C, right? And after that, we could be going higher. We create an A, B, C, D, E, something like that over here. Pump. We hit much higher for Mana against BTC. Absolutely possible, but yeah, in terms of tradability, no clear signs of a proper tradable chart pattern for Mana against BTC yet. So if anything, this could be a wave 1. We came down for a 2, up for a 3. We could be coming down, like I was saying, down for a 4, and then we could be going back up for a 5. One last hoorah before a deep correction comes on for Mana against BTC. I still feel like there's another one last hoorah before Mana falls back down. So yeah, we're watching out for the opportunity though to put on a trade, but we're not going to be rushing into anything. Mana could still just start consolidating from here, but I feel like there's still more downside first before we go for more upside, right? So yeah, it's just not ready for the picking. The apple is still green. Mana against USDT. Where are we? Yeah, same thing. It's the freaking same thing. If this is a 1, 2, 3, we should be getting a 4, and after that a 5, right? We're just not sure how much lower we're going to go. Is this the lowest for the wave 4? Are we going to form new lows for wave 4 first before going higher? Not too sure. We're still above the skinny pink line though, so as long as we're above the skinny pink line, we remain bias bullish for Mana against USDT.